though, and the winner of the challenge will nominate the player for elimination. Ooh. And the nominated player will be compete in the elimination challenge where the loser will be eliminated. Something interesting. Look! Ano nangyari? I think we're ready. Let's play Elimination Tower. Okay! The future, the present, and the past walk at the bar. Things got a little intense. Cloud9. Ooh, Cloud9. Ano to? Para to laruin. I love it till the day that I die. Oh, local tayo ng points. If you fall from the clouds, your score will reset. Oh. Oh my god, look at my hair. Ay, akala ko hair ko yun. It's not my hair though. I don't think how much of the... Oh. The yellow one was much higher. Oh no. Where's the yellow one? I need the yellow one. Oh no. I might fall! Oh my god, there's no yellow. How much the blue one? Ilan yung score na to? Hindi ko nakikita, B. I love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Ay, no yellow, oh. Oh my god, nakuha na nila. Oh my god, pang ilan ako? I got only 30 scores. Ano nangyari? La. Oh my god. Congratulations, Vilis. You're the power player and safe from the elimination this round. Ano ko ng mga to? The person who invented the door knock won the Nobel Prize. Okay. I don't even know what to play this game. Nomination. Ala, nominate na tayo. Wait na mag-chat tayo. Please. Don't pick me. Pick me. Oh my god, bawal. How to play this game. How to play this game. Oh my god, they picked me. Oh my gosh. Why did you pick me? Oh my gosh, why did you pick me? You dagat. Charat. How dare you? How dare you? How... Oh my god, baka kalayan minumura ko siya. How dare you? Yeah, how dare you? If you come out the shower clean, from the rest of you, next challenge is coming shortly. Dahil sa ito, bakit di ako makagalaw, Bing? Did you know by the time it's loading finish, our opera will earn around $43 million? I don't even know what you're saying. Mary Botmas. Ano to? Para siyang Squid Game, di ba? Look like a Squid Game. Get to the... Oh, it looks like a Squid Game nga. Do not move when Mary is watching. Kakawakoche piyesmida. Oh my god, patay. Oh my god. Ah! Oh, patay lahat. Walang duga. Bakit ganun? Uminto naman ako, oh. Dugo talaga, ha, in fairness. Di pumili sa akin kanina, eh, di ba? Baka sa akin. Somebody stole all my lamps. I couldn't be more delighted. Ang tagal naman laruin ito. Nominations. Lagi pupunta sa gilid yung screen ko. Inex, you know how to 60 seconds to eliminate 3 players for eliminations. Don't pick me. Ay, no, lagi siya napunta sa gilid. What the heck? No, don't pick me. Don't pick me. Oh my god, I didn't pick. Hindi tayo napili. Nag-lead na. I didn't pick. Celine and Saray have been nominated for eliminations. Nanalo tayo. My math teacher called me average. How mean? Oh. Where section? Where section daw? Where section? Oops. Water park. Paano ito laruin? Kasama rin ba tayo sa elimination? To survive, you need to complete this water park obi. Ooh, water park. Actually, this is my favorite one, the parkour. Pero, ito yung kasama sa obi. Kaya, don't wanna say goodbye. Till the... hulog siya. Till the day that I die. Mag-ano tayo, mag-expectate tayo. Takbo, 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 takbo. Takbo, 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 takbo. Baby, I don't wanna say goodbye. Till the... Galing na ito mag-park. Asan yung dalawa? Uy, nahulog sila sa bill sa tubig. Yun na yun. Go, go. Hulog. Naduduga pa siya. May hindi ka makakadaan sa gilid, may harang. Naduduga ka pa, ha? Hindi pwede. Oh my god, I'm only 10%. Wait lang, guys. One of the earliest used. They're more interesting. Let's do the salon. Okay. So now, tanggal na si Marco. She had a pathogenic memory but never developed it. Ay nako, 9 minutes na ako nandito. Hindi pa rin tapos tong ano na to. Larong to. Rabbit house. Oops. Search the maze for the golden key. Oh my god. The rescue Merry Christmas for the cage. Tak. Ako mauuna. Ako mauuna. Ako mauuna. Ako mauuna. Ako mauuna. Get off. Get off. Oh my god, did they following me? Hindi ko alam kung saan ako napupunta eh. Oh my god, she's following me talaga. Saan ba to? Hindi ko nga alam kung saan ako pupunta. Oh my god, she really following me. Ito ba yun? Oh my god! Oh my god! Nadalo ako! Oh my god! Hindi, bakit kayo yung buhok mo? Laka ng panot mo. Laka ng panot niya. I win! Congratulations, Steven. You're the power player of the Elimination Tower. Strawberries and not berries. Neither of the raspberries or blueberries according to Bonatti. Pati ka sa akin. Nasaan yung isa? Nandito pa ba yung isa? Ay, wala na. Tama. Dito ka pa, ha? Ito yung bumili sa akin kanini. Since tatlo lang naman na kayo, syempre, tatlo lang na yung kayo pipiliin ko. Ano gusto nyo mangyari? 2 players. So, since hindi naman ako pinili itong isang lalaki na to, hindi kita pipiliin. Okay? Yan. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. After the count of 3, you should pick either rock, paper, or scissors. Oh my god, di ako nakapili. O yan. So, isa lang talaga yung napili ko. Oh my gosh. Ayoko na nga nito. Wala, paano na to? Hindi na tayo kasama. Wala din ako kasama. Wala. Paano yun? Oh my god, hindi tayo kasama. Talo na ba ako? Did I lost the game? Talo na pala talaga ako. Ayoko nga nito. Paano ba to? Paano to? Modes. Full. Yan na lang. Wala na, tapos na tayo. Baby, patay lagot, patay ka diha, hindi mo manalo. Oh, talo na siya. Talo na agad siya. Oh, may panalo na agad. Gulo ito mag-obi, oh. Like, hello, ang dali-dali lang mo ng OB, hindi nyo matapos-tapos yan. Kahit ako, kaya kung tapusin ito lang within 30 seconds. Okay, iba pala yun. Ayun ako guys, oh. Ayun ako guys, oh. Guys, ako to guys. Saan na isa? Oo, dito na rin siya. Wala na, panalo na to. Oo, di ba? pa siya tatalon, B. Tumalon ka na. Ay, naku. Tumulong ka dun sa kabila. Lagot ka. Guys, kaya niya yan, guys. Kaya niya yan, guys. Oy! Hulog siya. My God, she fell. Oops. Kinakabahan na yan. Kinakabahan na yan. Kinakabahan na yan. Kinakabahan na yan. Hulog mo din, B. Yun, oh. Kaya mo naman palang tumalon. Hindi ka pa tumalon, eh. Hot water freeze faster than cold water. Talo naman talaga tayo. Did I lost the game? Not even know. Please congratulate our new champion. Ay, talo nga talaga ako, B. Talo nga talaga ako. Akala ko ako'y nanalo. Akala ko ako nanalo, hindi pa rin. Ba't ako nandito kasi? Ako na lang mag-isa. Oh, okay, yun lang. Yun lang, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you, guys. Oops. Bye-bye.